name is Birger Søgaard, and I come from Norway, and I'm 53 years old.
And my name is Esther, and I'm also from Norway, and I'm 21 years old.
Yes, I have a problem with my feet because I have used it so many years, and I was to fix them to get the bike get new. And here I'm very satisfied with what they are doing in this clinic. So now I can smile and I can eat, and I have many years with this teeth before I have maybe to do something new.
Yeah, and I, like every other person, sometimes get holes in our teeth. So I was here to place some fillings and to fix the problems. And yeah, I'm very satisfied. It's the service is excellent, great people. You feel like you get a personal connection with the clinic. It's not just you're not just any patient, but it's you as an individual. And yeah, it's a great service, and I'm very happy with the result with my teeth.
And the dentists are very good to explain what we should do, and if they want us to take different choice or something, they discuss it. They say you can do like that, or you can do that. So that's very good too, that I see what in the long time what can happen and what is the best.
Yeah, they always do what's best for the patient, and they don't just go their own way, like my father says, but they really explain to you so you can understand in an understandable way what they're actually going to do with your teeth, and you don't feel like you're getting ripped off, but everything is well explained, and it's a very safe place to go and fix your teeth. And they speak excellent English and also Norwegian, if you're Norwegians like us and are comfortable with that, and other languages as well, and it's a safe place to be
Yes.
for you with your teeth.
And not only this place, because it's in Krakow, and that's very much to see around. So when we are finished in the clinic, we don't go to the hotel like to that. We can do many things, see all the culture here and Old Town, and that's very good.
Yeah, it's a safe treatment, nice place to be in, a nice city.
Yes.